Hello and greetings from the Alrite team. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload audio and video files from your computer or storage devices. Begin by logging into the Alrite web application and clicking on Upload on the top of your screen. Here, you can either drag in the desired file or click on Browse and manually look for it from the pop-up window. Once the file has been selected, you will have the option to change the name of the file. In cases where the file is either longer than 3 hours in length or bigger than 1 GB, users with higher level subscription packages will have the option to check a box that allows for the limit to be exceeded. Next, select the language that is used within the file so that Alrite can provide the highest accuracy possible. Choosing a language that differs from that found in the file will result in poor transcription. Finally, Plus and Premium users can also decide on how many lines they wish for captions to be shown in, ranging from 1 to 3 lines. Once these settings have been adjusted, simply click on Start and let Alrite do the rest. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact our support team or check out our FAQ page.